This time around, I want to do a couple of simple visual mods. HiroshimaSpirit! I've really been wanting to do a vinyl sun strip on the top of the windscreen. I'm torn between black and white, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up with black. I also want to bring back the much-loved splash of color on the leading edge of my front lip. It used to be fluorescent orange. I kind of moved away from that for a while for whatever reason, but I'm kind of missing it. It really pops, makes the front end of the car look really aggressive, and it's super easy to do. And in order to achieve this, I can think of no better place to go than the ultimate bastion of automotive modification, the craft store. Wow, are they not open yet? Sunday, 10 a.m., son of a bitch. Gotta wait 5 minutes, just enough time to mask up. Ultimate hack right here. 5 feet of vinyl for 10 bucks. This is cheaper than I can find any windshield sunscreen anywhere, like on eBay or anything, so this is it. On to step 2. Yes. Yep, this is the secret to my front lip. It's just orange duct tape. 7 bucks for that? They do have these, but it's not quite as day glowy as I would like. These are the sacrifices we have to make in the name of looking cool. Oh yes, this is gonna do nicely. I'm about to get sweaty and crawl around on the floor and stuff, so I'm gonna switch into more comfortable clothes. Being a dumb race car racer, you wouldn't understand. So I think I'm gonna use the bottom of the rear view mirror area, these black dots on the inside of the windshield, as a reference for how far I want that sun strip to go down. I'm gonna get a piece of painter's tape right down the middle to hold it in place, and I'll just smooth it out one side at a time, probably make up some soapy water, and then do the whole credit card trick, work it out, and then trim off the excess, and it'll be A-okay. Oh wait, we can't do this anymore because it's racist. It'll be A-okay. I don't have any Windex, but Mrs. Myers, next best thing. Wish me luck. Super special homemade recipe soapy water. The appropriate vinyl smoothing card for this channel. Oh my god, it's working! I can't believe it. Current situation. We're getting there. Man, this is tough. Just really difficult when you get to the end here. Maybe if I heat it up a little? I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying for you folks. I'm trying for me, because I really want to win on this. Trimming the end so it can really lay flat. That's doing it. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Yes, yes. Boom. And there it is. Subtle, but effective. White might have been the play, but I also want to add like a Mazda logo or something, like small in the middle. Nothing like big and ridiculous. So I measured, and on the passenger side, it's about a 1/2 inch lower than it is on the driver's side. If you can tell, more power to you, because I sure can't. And here is the view from the inside. Don't sweat that, that's just from a sticker on the inside, a parking pass. I'm really proud with how this came out. Success! Now, on to the front lip, which is a lot easier, arguably. Yeah, it's as simple as you might think. Some people might be mad about it because you're sticking duct tape to the front of your car. That's so cheap. But I've gotten so many questions in the past when I had the front lip contoured with this stuff, and people seemed to like it. I liked it. I just kind of moved away from it for a little while, and I'm missing the look. You just contour it around this leading edge of the lip, which duct tape contours really well. It's simple and it works. So if you don't like it, that's on you. It looks kind of crappy on the very ends, but what can you do? Just wrap it around the end. Start feeding it along. And then press it under as you go. You see, it really looks ratty on the very end there, but whatever. So once you've done that first section, you get right here to this first compound curve. You really gotta work the tape around. If you work it enough, it eventually sticks perfectly. It's not a big deal. Just continue following that leading edge best you can. Voila! It's just that simple. And here she is, out in the daylight. I like it. I think it really sharpens the front end of the car. If you don't like it, choose a different color. Don't do it. Whatever. For 16 bucks, I made a couple of subtle, easy changes, but I really think they bring out certain aspects of the car. And the best part is, I actually saved money just buying straight up vinyl rather than a pre-cut, ready-made sun strip from eBay or Amazon or anywhere else. The cheapest one I could find was like $11 or $12. Didn't save all that much, but I didn't have to wait, first of all, and it came out just as good, so whatever. If you can save money and do it now, why wouldn't you? What I really want to do is wrap the roof chrome as another subtle nod to endurance sports car racing. Anyone who knows, knows, and if you don't, whatever. I want to do it because I'm a fan, and I think it looks cool. So if anyone in Florida has a hookup on getting my roof wrapped chrome, drop me a DM and we can maybe work something out, because I'd really like to do that. I tried once and failed spectacularly, so I'd rather a professional just do that one. I really want to, in the middle of the sun strip, just like smallish, do a Mazda logo or a Mazda Speed logo, Mazda Motorsports, something. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Anyway, that's all there is to it. I've done plenty of talking. I've got plenty of editing to do as it is, but I've been wanting to do this project for a while, and I was feeling creative today, so I wanted to throw together a little something for you guys, since I haven't made a video in a little while. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and maybe you'll be inspired to dress your car up a little bit on the cheap, even if it's with some duct tape, if you don't care what people think. So, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Whole fucking parking lot. And you're right next to me.